Your coffee might be more than just a pick-me-up. It could also be a cup of tiny plastics sneaking into your body, microplastics. These invisible invaders are everywhere, in your food, water, and even in your body. Scary, right? Let me share 3 simple ways that these tiny pieces of plastic, they sneak into us. They can confuse your hormones and over time can cause serious, really serious health problems like fertility issues, thyroid problems, even energy loss. They're also polluting our planet, harming animals, and staying in our environment forever. It's not just pollution outside. Microplastic have found their way into our bodies. Let me share 3 simple ways that these tiny pieces of plastic, they sneak into us. First, through water. Fish in the ocean, they consume these plastics, and when we eat fish, those plastics end up in our body. But something as simple as bottled water is not safe. Research supports by National Institute of Health revealed alarming findings about microplastics in bottled water. As you can right now see on the screen, researchers discovered that bottled water contains a really high concentration of microplastics and nanoplastic than previously detected. On average, 1 liter of bottled water included about 240,000 tiny pieces of plastic, with 90% of these fragments being nanoplastic. These numbers are 10 to 100 times higher than previous studies that primarily focused on large microplastics. The problem becomes worse when plastic bottles are kept in heat or sunlight. Second method how plastic gets into the body is through cooking and packaging. This journey doesn't stop at water. Cooking oil stored in plastic containers can absorb tiny particles. Food packed in plastic can do the same. Even paper cup lined with plastic, they release microplastics when filled with hot coffee or tea. So a cup of coffee could mean a dose of plastics you didn't even know you were consuming. So next time when you are drinking coffee in a plastic cup or in a paper cup which is lined with plastic, think again. Last method in which plastics enter our body is through air. We breathe. Microplastics are so light that they float in the air. This means every time that we are taking a breath, there is a chance that we are inhaling these tiny little particles without even realizing it. Why does it matter? Why are we even talking about this subject, and why should you all care? Because these microplastics don't just pass through our body. These tiny particles carry harmful chemicals that can really mess with your body's natural balance. They can confuse your hormones and over time can cause serious, really serious health problems like fertility issues, thyroid problems, even energy loss. I was not suffering that these days. And it's not just about health. They're also polluting our planet, harming animals, and staying in our environment forever. At UVAP, we believe in diving deep into the root cause of issues like these so that you can take informed steps starting today which are good for your health and the planet. If microplastics are so harmful, what about biodegradable plastic? Let's explore that next. If microplastic is so harmful, then biodegradable must be better, right? Well, let's find out the truth about these so-called eco-friendly plastic options. Biodegradable plastics are designed to break down naturally, unlike regular plastics. They are often made from plants like corn or sugarcane. This idea sounds great. They are supposed to decompose and leave no waste behind whatsoever. But here's the catch. Biodegradable plastic only breaks down in special conditions. They need high heat, controlled moisture, and specific industrial composting facilities to properly decompose. These conditions don't exist in most places where our trash ends up. If biodegradable plastic end up in the landfill or the ocean, they just act like regular plastics. Instead of disappearing, they break down into microplastics, the very problem we are trying to solve. Why biodegradable plastic may not be the solution you might think. At least they are better than regular plastics, right? Not necessary. Let's look at 2 real-life studies that tell us why. First, the study on biodegradable bags. Researchers from University of Plymouth tested biodegradable plastic bags by burying them in soil, putting them in water and leaving them in open air. After 3 long years, many of these bags were still intact, some of them even strong enough to carry groceries. This shows that biodegradable plastics don't break down as easily as we think, especially in natural environment. Second example is microplastic from biodegradables. As per the review in the Journal of Cleaner Production found even more issues. These biodegradable plastics often don't break down completely, leaving behind microplastic in the soil. They can also release extra carbon, greenhouse gases, making climate problem worse. In some cases, these tiny plastic pieces can harm the soil even more than regular plastics. So while it sounds like a fancy ideas, these biodegradable are really not the perfect fix. They reduce visible waste but do not solve the deeper problem that we are discussing. Let's talk about the bigger problem that we have, our dependency on disposable plastics. At UVAP, we have always believed that we need to dig down to the real root cause. And here the root cause of the issue is not whether plastics are biodegradable or not. It is that we consume just way too much. It is relying too much on disposable items, things we use once and throw away. Biodegradable plastic may seem like a quick fix, but they are not solving the problem. Instead, they can make us feel less guilty about using single-use items, while the pollution to the environment and to our body keeps on happening. If we really want to make a difference, we need to focus on reducing our overall use of plastics. That means making small but meaningful changes in our daily lives. We'll talk about these steps next, so keep watching. We have learned that both regular and biodegradable plastic harm us and the planet. But here's the good news. At UVAP, we believe that even small steps can make a big difference. And we are sharing 3 simple ways that will make a huge impact in our life and our planet. First, start small and make gradual changes. Rome is not built in a day. You don't have to overhaul your complete lifestyle overnight. Start with just 1 or 2 simple swaps for today. For example, switch from plastic containers to glass or stainless steel for storing food. Use a reusable stainless steel or glass water bottle instead of buying plastic bottled water. These small changes seem small, but they add up. Over a few months, you will notice that you are consuming far less plastic in your daily life. Second, be careful, particularly with hot foods and drinks. Plastic releases really harmful chemicals when they come in contact with heat. So when you are eating hot food stored in plastic, the problem is double or triple. So for hot food, we have to use ceramic, glass, or stainless steel. This one change can significantly reduce our exposure to harmful chemicals. Did you know that microplastics really get deep into our gut and disturb it by introducing, harmful chemicals and toxins? Supporting your gut is extremely crucial to improving your overall well-being, whether your body faces environmental stressors like microplastic exposure or not. That's why we are thrilled to share our free ebook, Tasty Treasures for a Happy Tummy. This guide is packed with simple, delicious probiotic recipes like kanji, curd, and kombucha to support your gut health. They help improve digestion and boost your overall immunity and energy so that we can tolerate pollution better. We can tolerate the attack from plastic better. And we are making ourselves strong while helping our body and the environment. So how do you get your free ebook? Use the coupon code MICROHEALTH at checkout to download it for free. The link is in the description below. It's a small step towards a healthier, happier you. Now coming back to our topic, the third way in which we can do that is by choosing brands that really care about the environment. By choosing brands, whether it's about food or skincare, which care about your health and environment. Brands which prioritize eco-friendly and chemical-free products is a powerful step that you can take starting today. For example, 3 Organics by UVAP, our chemical-free skincare range uses glass-based packaging to keep harmful plastic out of your products and your home. Did you know that just like plastic, the toxins in skincare contribute to various hormonal issues? So the plastic is contributing to your hormone health and Your even the skincare, the toxin in the skincare is also contributing to hormonal health. These toxins are everywhere, impacting women hormones. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, we are all aware that we need to go chemical-free, plastic-free, but why not all the time? 3 Organics was born from a mission to create safe, chemical-free skincare using ingredients that you can trust, packaging, plastic-free packaging that you can trust. Every product is designed to care for your health and the planet. To know more about our products, you can visit 3organics.com. We are living in a time where hormonal imbalances, health struggles like PCOD, thyroid, fertility challenges, and even chronic condition like diabetes are on an all-time high. One silent contributor, plastics and toxin in skincare. At Tree Organic, we believe wellness starts with little things. Choosing skincare that aligns with your health goal, making small choices that make you better one day at a time. It is born from a personal journey of overcoming the health challenges which I had. Our products are crafted with the purest ingredient that will nourish the skin and safeguard your hormones. By switching to 3 Organics, you are not just investing in toxin-free, plastic-free skincare, you are embracing a lifestyle of health, transparency, and sustainability. It's time to treat your body with love and care that it deserves. Visit treeorganics.com today and take the first step towards healthier, toxin-free life. Your future self will thank you. Bye-bye for now. Stay curious and keep finding your why with YouApp. Lots of love. Bye-bye.